Well, good evening, our class, and I appreciate that you are keep on going, and we are start to learning about and we start today is about letter ball. We call ball, ball, ball. We can write in English PA. We can ball, rồi có ball, ball. So we continue. You can make a different style. And after that the next letter is paw, 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 paw sound p, paw, paw. Next letter is paw, paw, p, o, or paw. It's assumes it sounds like Philippine, but it's paw, paw. And this one is paw, 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 ph, paw, paw, paw. It's not fur, but in Khmer, paw, paw, paw. Then we can say mo, 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 mo. It sounds like cow sound, mo. And this one is yo, yo, yo. It's not yo-yo, but in Khmer it's yo, yo. This one is ro, 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 ro. Next letter is lo, lo, lo. L-O, low, low. Whoa, 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 whoa. Saw, saw, saw. S-A or S-O, saw. Haw, 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 haw. Repeat again. Haw, 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 haw. And that we repeat again. Haw, haw, H-A, haw, haw. And this one is law, 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 law. L-A. Oh, oh, oh. So hope you enjoyed the learning, and we are finished this lesson by today, the episode 5. So we carry on to learn another vocabulary. This episode is end. Just inform that this episode is end about the Khmer alphabet, Khmer letter. So we continue the next chapter with the letter with the vocabulary or vowel. We can use with the vowel. We can carry on continue. If you would like to learn something more in the Khmer, I'm happy to listen all your comment below, and we have to answer you and go and straightforward together. And thank you for all your watching this video. Hope you can share to everyone around the globe. I'm still connecting with you and be with you all the time. Thank you for watching.